Greetings from Ågesta Naturistbad, popular nudist beach in South Stockholm in the summer months, that is to say, as today it is 22nd of October 2024 and I am exploring this nudist beach once again this autumn. It's quite a huge nudist beach, as you can see, with a huge green area, small sandy beach as well, and a sauna that is available only to the members of the nudist club here. There is currently nobody here on the beach because it is a late October day and we have 12 degrees Celsius in the lake and only 11 degrees Celsius in the air, so the temperature almost matches the air with the lake. Slightly colder in the air with a breeze wind. And I cycled today here. It took me a bit longer, 10 kilometers, as I was actually taking my passport photo for my passport renewal, my Swedish passport. I just can't believe it has been 5 years since I became a Swedish citizen and almost 10 years since I have moved to Sweden. But I need a new passport because I will be traveling somewhere long very soon, so, and hopefully you will see that also on my channel. But yes, Ågesta Naturistbad, nudist beach in Stockholm, more specifically in Huddinge, actually, municipality, but the area here, the nature reserve, especially the cross-country track that is very close by, it is maintained by the Stockholm city itself. So with that said, and with this lovely view of the beach and the still lake of Magelungen, it is time to take a swim here in the lake. And today I'm celebrating beach day number 180 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. I just can't believe that it has been so many beach days. That's 6 months. So I have been basically swimming every day for 6 months in one of the most southernmost countries in the world. To be fair, I was also traveling a bit, and during those days I was swimming in other countries. I don't know the exact number of it, but it should be somewhere around 30. So 7 months already, and we have 2 months left of the year, which will bring down to 9 months of daily beach vlogs that I have done. Right, so on the other side we can see the Farsta area, and Trångsund is actually towards there, and Skogås, and the beautiful Ågesta Nature Reserve. They are reconstructing the cross-country ski track. It's gonna be longer this year, and I really look forward to start that season, hopefully in a month, as we wrap up the beach season sometime at the end of November. It is currently exactly 12 o'clock, so let's then get going and take a swim in this beautiful nature over here. So yes, a bit chilly in the water, especially with the wind that is blowing, but I have seen worse, to be fair. So Lake Magelungen, ready, set, go! Nice, so nice, chilly but nice. Yes, now I realize that I haven't been here in Ågesta in the summer months for a while. I should visit it next summer season also. So yes, beautiful, wonderful and huge nudist beach in southern suburbs of Stockholm and fairly close to where I live. Cool, that's a wrap then from this beach number 180 from Ågesta Naturistbad. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me as usual, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.